crab salad?
No, it's a ravioli.
Ravioli?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, so let's welcome Jennifer here.
Hi there, good afternoon. It was a nice introduction, thank you. I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how to do a vinaigrette that's going to go with my dish. My dish is a ravioli, toasted ravioli, and I'm serving that with a roasted red pepper sauce. And I'm just doing the vinaigrette and the arugula salad to go on the side, mostly for the plating. So to make the vinaigrette, I've just got lemon juice here. I'm going to mix 50-50 with olive oil. And season it. So part of my inspiration for using the surimi sticks, I felt that it really offered the best variety in the kind of things you could do. This is actually like a really interesting product to use. I felt that comfort food was very much my inspiration for this. So we're looked at quite a lot of different comfort foods and appetizers, and that's very it's very popular right now. So being able to incorporate surimi into something like that was pretty good. So my influence for this dish, apart from comfort food, was that using Mediterranean flavors and also the little twist on that, on ravioli, was toasting it St. Louis style. So it's kind of fried with panko and also Parmesan cheese. And the filling inside is surimi, cream cheese, capers, arugula, parsley, seasoning, and the filling itself is about a third surimi, something like that. For the side, which is the roasted red pepper sauce, I roasted red peppers and then sauteed onions, and garlic, and blitzed them up together. Return them to the pan with chicken broth, and it can be served hot or cold. So I think the challenges with surimi are that it's not necessarily thought of as something that can be high-end or could be used in many different ways. So in order to use it, I think we need to be open to a lot of different flavors that could go with it. And the advantages that there are that or rather not the advantages, the challenges that are to try and really get millennials to kind of buy into surimi, because they're really changing the face of food and a real big influence on what America eats. And I think if we can show that surimi can be used in an updated way, I think that would be a really good thing.
Okay, So
Okay.
Jennifer here, ravioli here made with the surimi stick and her own recipe. Very good. Thank you so much.